Recently, I have had a lot of issues with my neck and my knees aching me all the time. That sounds odd, but I think a lot of it has to do with my job. And all the jobs that I've really held in the past 3 years or so have really required me to sit at a desk a lot. So what I wanted to do was find ways that I could sit at a desk and be a little bit more ergonomic. So a lot of the solutions that are out there specifically to make your desk experience better are extremely expensive. So I really wanted to find ways that I could sit at a desk more comfortably and do so affordably. I also have a bunch of weird miscellaneous stuff that I needed around the house. So yeah, it's a little bit of a hodgepodge, but this is all from IKEA, all awesome stuff that I purchased that will hopefully help my body feel a little bit better when I'm working throughout the day. So the first item that I purchased is this Rada, beats me. It's basically a little like ledge that your laptop can sit on. You could probably use it for a tablet too, but it's pretty large. So what you do is you kind of put your laptop in here, and you can use it as a lap desk if you want, but what I'm going to do is actually put it on my at-home desk because I have the ability to work remote from time to time. So I think this will help because then I can have my monitor sit a little bit higher or my laptop screen sit a little bit higher than it usually does. So I think this was like $6 maybe. But I think this will be a really nice practical piece for me to have at home. So hopefully this helps me when I'm working remotely. The next piece that I purchased is actually this kid's footstool. I really wanted to buy one of the footstools that's intended for your feet at your desk, but I think that was closer to 20 bucks. I got this for $5. I think it was $4.99. So I'll just use this under my desk to prop my knees up so that they're more, at least closer to a 90-degree angle. I don't know if they'll be exactly at that, but I think this will be really helpful because my knees get so achy throughout the day. So fingers crossed this helps. If not, I'll bring it home so I can actually reach the top shelf. So there's 2 uses for it. And then the last few items that I purchased from IKEA are kind of odd, but I'm really hoping that this works. So at my last job, I had monitor stands just that were company provided. And at my job now, people use reams of paper, which obviously is kind of a negative thing because reams of paper are relatively expensive. So I tried to find a solution that actually would also allow me to have a little bit more desk space. So these are, sort of with a V, Varia. I should have left the stickers on the bottom, but I took them off. They're just kitchen shelf like inserts, so basically an extra shelf for your kitchen cabinets. So I have 2 monitor screens and then a laptop, so I bought 2 of these for my monitors. I think the front little lip and the back little lip will hang off a little bit on this, but not enough that it'll be unstable. So I thought that this was a really good idea because I can also store things underneath this, and it's a really good height. It's actually really nice and tall. So I was really excited about this. This was $4.99. Like I said, I bought 2 of them. They're super easy to put together, and I'm excited to incorporate these also in my workspace. And then I also bought the larger version. This one was $6, so $5.99. And this one I'll actually put my laptop up on with its little docking station because I use that as a 3rd screen. And this will definitely be plenty of room for that to sit securely and not damage the equipment. So I was, again, really excited to see this in the store, and I think this will be a really good use of space, but also really help me from looking down so much while I'm at my desk. So fingers crossed this helps. It's really nice and sturdy. They are metal, so I think this is a great solution for monitor stands. Especially this size, you could really use 3 of these. This is a lot like the plastic ones that I got, and I think those were 20 bucks each. So great solution. They're actually pretty cute-ish too, so it's nice. The two random items that I bought while I was there, the first one was a 49-cent kitchen brush because it's a 49-cent kitchen brush. Why not, right? When in Rome. And then the other thing I got was a 99-cent lint roller. Can't go wrong. I don't have any pets or anything, but I'm going to a CPA conference at the end of the month, so probably shouldn't be all linty and gross when I go to that. So that's what this is for. And then the last thing I purchased is actually this big black ottoman here. So this sucker, you can kind of tell it's actually like a lining that goes into this square. Basically, it's like these bars that all connect together and then you put in the lining. That's what kind of creates the shape of it and makes it look like your standard ottoman, but it's different because it's all fabric around and all like, there's no wood or anything like holding this part together. It's just the metal brackets. And then it came with this lid as well. So in our office area that we put together, we have the bed from IKEA. I forget the name of it right now off the top of my head, but it's nice to sit down on as a couch, but because it's a mattress that we're sitting down on, your legs kind of hang out more. So if you want to put your feet on the ground, then your back isn't being supported. So again, I guess it's for an ergonomic purpose. But it'll allow me to lean back, have a back support, but also have some foot support as well.